Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'll be helping you learn how to add multiple accounts on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You can add up to 5 Instagram accounts and quickly switch between them without having to log out and log back in on Instagram. To be able to do so, tap on your Instagram application from your app drawer, and once you're in, from your Instagram feed, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Once you do that, from your profile page, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right corner. And tap on Settings, scroll all the way down and under Logins. You'll be able to see a button that says Add Account. Tap on Add Account in order to add a multiple account on Instagram. If you want to add an existing account, tap on Log into Existing Account, and type in the credentials for the Instagram account on the next page. After you do that, tap on the Login button, and that is it, you've added another account on Instagram. In order to quickly switch between the accounts, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and tap on the usual name at the top left corner. Now select an account you want to switch. And you have been switched to multiple account on Instagram. That is how you can easily add multiple accounts on Instagram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.